I'm Phil Japikse, Agile Practices Evangelist for Telerik, and in this video I'm going to show the basic customization capabilities of the Ideas and Feedback Portal. Before we customize it, let's look at what the Ideas and Feedback Portal looks like out of the box. You can see that we've got the logo here, project name, some colors on here, and then some various colors for hyperlinks. To do customization, first of all, I guess we need to know how to find the page, and that's very simple. You go to Settings, Portal Settings, and that'll bring up this page right here, and what we want to do is we want to click on the Customize button right there. When we click on that, that'll bring us to this Customize TeamPulse Ideas and Feedback Portal page. Now there's several things that we can do here very simply. First and foremost, we can change colors of the background, the search background, the link color, and the logo. There's some advanced settings down here towards the bottom of the screen, and we'll talk about those in another video. So let's first add a different logo to the screen. Let's say you want to add your own company logo. And it's very simple. We click on Select, and we're going to add that. Now this logo is not optimized for the feedback portal, but again, I just want to show what it looks like. We're going to go down here and we're going to save changes. We can see that the save was successful. I go back to my feedback portal and I do a refresh. And you can see the new logo is here. Now, I'm not a graphic designer. I don't play one on TV. But you will want to probably get something a little less boxy. But you know what? It's totally up to you. It's under your control. Let's go back to the customization and let's do one more thing here. I want to hide the project name. Now instead of saving it, we're going to click on the preview button. And as we can see on this tab, the project name is gone. So we just have our logo. So that's our very simple customization that you can do. But you know what? Maybe we decide that we want to have the name there. We go back. We didn't actually save it. So we can go back here. So you know what? I don't want to hide the project name. Let's do another preview. And you can see that the project name is back. Alright, let's change some colors on the site. And what's really nice about the way this form is written is it's interactive. So right now the page color is a bit of a gray. And let's say I want to make it blue. Once we leave focus of the field, it will show us exactly what color we've selected and what it'll look like. So let's do a preview of this. And you can see that the background is now blue. If we look at the original, we see it's that, I'm going to call it eggshell because I really don't know my colors. I kind of know the primary colors, and fuchsia seems to be the only other colors I know. Go back here. That blue's kind of blue. We don't really want to do that. So I'm going to call a friend of mine who's a graphic designer, and I'm going to get some other colors. Now, I typed in blue, it took it. It takes color names. It also takes the color codes. So let's put in hash 696969, and we get a dark gray. Let's see what that looks like. So we'll preview that. And we go here and we say, you know what? We like that. Let's go ahead and save it. Go down here to the bottom of the page, save changes, do a refresh, and now we have the gray background. Let's do a couple other colors. Let's say we want to change the search background. Right now it's a reddish color, and we want to make it a lighter gray to work with our gray theme that we have. So we type in A9, A9, A9. We're going to go ahead and save this. It's saved. Go back to our portal, refresh. And now you can see instead of the red background, we have a gray, which more closely matches the gray theme that we're doing. The problem right now we have is our links are still very, very red. Let's go in and change the links. And we want to change the link color to, you know what, we'll do the blue here. And instead of that pinkish color, we want to make it red. Let's do a quick preview. Go look at it. And now we have red for hover. blue for the basic links, and we decide we like this, we're going to stick with it. Let's go back to the Customize Portal page, save the changes. We see that they're saved. Go back, do a refresh, and we're done. So with very few steps, we were able to change the logo, hide or display the project name, and change the background as well as the search background, and change the links and the hover. And those are all with fields that are given to us. In our next video, we'll talk about how we can use custom CSS and custom JavaScript to further customize the Ideas and Feedback Portal. I'm Japikse, Agile Practices Evangelist for Telerik. Thank you for listening.